maraba, maraba, ungoya maraba, maraba, ungoya maraba, maraba, ungoya maraba.
Until I came to the north, I didn't know that people process groundnut oil.
Okay, so maybe that is another problem. A very big problem. That's yaji.
Yaji.
Yes.
So we are going to be doing groundnut oil and yaji.
Yes.
Yaji. Look at that camera and give me the yay! Alright guys, so if you've been following for a while now, I just uploaded a video on groundnut oil production, and this is the byproduct of the groundnut oil. And so we are going to pound it into something called what are we going to be? Yawa? Yaji.
Or kulikulizim.
Or kulikulizim. So this is the process of how it's made, and I'm going to ask questions. I don't really know, but I'm interested in asking questions. So let's enjoy this. So to prepare yaji or kulikulizim, you say kulikuli what? Kulikulizim. What do we need?
You need ginger, cloves and pepper.
Ginger, cloves and pepper. Okay.
And
but
add salt to taste.
Add salt for a little bit of taste.
Yes.
Okay. And why do you add all of these things and not
to make it tasty?
To make it tasty.
Eatable.
Oh, okay. But what can you eat yaji with?
Yam. Listen,
gari. Hey, you can eat yaji with gari. Oh wow. Okay, that's new.
Like SHS students, they normally use it.
They use it for
gari.
Did you ever try that?
Yes.
How is it taste like?
Nice.
It's nice. Okay. I haven't tried it before, but now that she's saying it's nice, I think I'm gonna do it. Okay. So
even plantain, fried plantain.
Fried plantain, you can add yaji to it. Hey. What about kebab?
Yes.
Is that what they call kebab pepper?
This
is different from kebab pepper.
You know, pepper is different from yaji.
Oh. Okay. That's interesting. Guys, if you've tasted yaji before, let me know in the comment section below. Just leave your experience there. I have tried yaji with yam, but I'm not really sure about the taste because it's been a long time. So I'm hoping to try it another time again, which is going to be today.
Even the kebab sellers, they use this one for this thing, roasted chicken.
Roasted chicken.
Chicken, yeah.
So is it how? I'm wondering how the yaji is used. Is it that you sprinkle it on the meat, or you season it with the food? How do you?
Anyhow, to make it eatable for you.
Okay. But it's nice because this is groundnut and it has a lot of protein. So you dry it after grinding it like this? Yes. And then after the drying, before you take it to the milling, or you store this?
It depends on the time you want to use it. If you want to keep it if you don't need a powder right
Yes.
for the meantime, you can
Store
break
it
it like this and store it.
Okay.
But if you just need it that instant, you can take it and mill it.
Okay. But in order for it to last long,
it's good you dry it.
you dry it before the milling.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So for those of you who want to keep it for long, this is what she's saying. You have to dry after the pounding because it's still wet.
Yes.
There's a little bit of oil and water in it. So to get rid of that, it has to dry and then you go through the milling process. Okay. But introduce yourself. You didn't tell us who you are. Fatima. What do you do?
I'm a graduate.
You are a graduate. Okay. Are you also in the yashi business?
Not really.
Not really. Well, not really means what?
I'm not that into it.
You are not that into it, but your parents are into it.
Yes.
So you have a lot of idea. Okay. All right. But how do you think we can work with the people in the local setting in order to promote the local food? Because you are a graduate. I don't know, what did you study in school?
I studied education.
You study education. So how do you think we can blend education and then the local life and food together in order to preserve the culture and also make it interesting to the new generation?
I think we need to add brand to it.
We should add brand, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
For instance, the groundnut oil, like what the lady does.
Right.
She gets stickers and put it on it.
Right.
Even those, if the sticker is on it, everything about the product is on it.
Yes.
People who can read can take it and read.
Right. Okay. So this is the yashi that we're grinding and we've been going through all this stress, right?
Yes.
And if somebody wants to prepare some at home, what do they need?
To prepare the
Yes. If they can't travel all the way to the north and they live somewhere that they only have groundnuts and all of this, what do they need to prepare the yashi?
It's the groundnut.
Groundnuts, okay. And then what else?
It's only the groundnut. They'll fry it.
Mm-hmm.
After frying, they'll send it to the grinding mill.
Right. And then when you take it from the grinding mill, do you mix stuff with it?
What?
Do you add any other thing when you are grinding it? No spices, nothing?
They'll only grind it to the granite paste.
Okay.
Add water to it.
Right.
Stirring. All those the things we do.
Okay.
To get the liquid one or the cake.
Okay. So it's out
So,
of the cake.
After the cake, you then squeeze it into bulk with
Right.
and fry.
Okay.
After frying, you send it to the grind mill to grind it into pieces.
Okay.
Before grind it to powder.
Powder.
It
Okay.
will turn to the you add your spices.
So at what point do you add the spices?
When you are grinding it to this thing,
The
the
powder
powdered form.
Oh, okay.
So that the smell, the thing will come. When you smell it, you hear spices on it.
Yeah, okay. Like you get some spices smell and scent coming out. Yeah. Okay, all right. But what do you guys use the yaji for?
Fried yam.
Fry yam.
Fried plantain.
Okay.
And gari.
And gari. Oh, okay, all right. So for those of you who haven't seen yaji before, this is yaji. You've seen this is the same that they mix with the kebab pepper, right?
Yes.
They mix it with the kebab pepper and then it comes out very nice. How come it's my first time coming across this? Anyway, guys, I found diamond in the northern region and I think I'm gonna be taking this with me in Accra. So if you know where I live in Accra, look for me and let me give you some.
Will you?
I'm taking the whole boat with me in Accra. I cannot see this diamond and leave it here, so
You take some.
no, I want to take all because the people
Why?
watching right now, I believe that some of them they are like, hey Fred, are you going to bring us some? Are you going to bring us some? So I need to give them some.
Okay.
Anyway, so it has been amazing doing another street food episode. Excited always to come and meet mothers, women, people, culture, and food, and have that whole exchange and learn new things. I've learned a whole lot. I didn't know that groundnut had extra use, especially the byproduct from the oil. From the oil processing can also be used as additional spices to your meat and your fry yam and all of those things. I've learned a lot, and I believe that you've also learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below, and should you want some, do you guys sell it to people as well when you are done with it? All right, so how can they contact you guys?
By our number.
Your number. Do you want to give the phone number?
Yeah.
Okay, so look at the camera and mention the number.
The number is 0557 301733.
33.
That's my WhatsApp line too.
That's the WhatsApp line. So if they reach you on WhatsApp, you can distribute to them. Yeah. All right. So try it. Let me know how the taste is for you, and if you've ever tried it before, let me know how the whole feedback was. Did you like it? Was it spicy a lot, or how do you even like your yashi? If you've tried before, you know yashi. How do you like your yashi prepared? Let's start a conversation in the comment section below. But I love it. And so before I leave on this channel, we do something. We look at the camera and give you. Are you ready to do that? Hey, wait, are you shy? You are not shy. If you are not shy, look at the camera and give the yay. All right, can we get a bye-bye? Bye-bye. Guys, if you have other uses to it, so please let me know. But I think I like it.